Yung kay, siyempre naka-manage niyo rin po si Kisses. And then nag-trending siya
Yes.
na nasa New York siya.
Yes.
Kamusta po siya ngayon?
I haven't gotten in touch with her since nung nagtodo ano na siya, beauty pageant. Parang marami na siyang medyo ginawa noon na medyo separate already from our world, 'di ba? Lalo na yung nag-pageant na siya. So wala, I haven't been able to be in touch with her.
Ano yung direct
recently.
personal decision niya talaga na after
Gusto niya talaga mag-pageant eh. Gusto
after
niya
pageantry,
That I don't
laylo
know.
na muna.
That I don't know. Hindi ko na siya nakausap after that.
Kamusta yung contract yung management with AAA nun direct? I mean,
With
natapos
Kisses?
naman.
Yeah, yeah. That was long ago. Yeah. So talagang parang meron na siyang decision talaga where her career was going.
Kasi nag-trending siya bigla direct na nasa New York daw siya, nasa surf, nasa trend.
Okay. I haven't seen.
Short
Hindi ko
hair,
pa
ganun.
nakikita.
So marami na rin nakamiss sa kanya.
Oo, totoo naman.
Ito direct, nung clamor, anong dati kasi, parang sabi kasi dahil successful Imagine You and Me before, tapos action dapat yung gagawin ng Aldab. Tama ba yun? Dapat merong gagawin.
Meron kaming follow-up projects. Actually, ilan yon. One was action.
Okay.
One was syempre mga love story sila. Pero one was action, one was a little bit more fantasy. Ganun. Maraming options nun eh. You know, pero wala, ang hirap itugma nung schedule ng dalawa. Pero hopefully, di ba, when, you know, if there's a chance that comes and everyone loves the concept or the script, why not, di ba?
Kasi direct nag-trending ulit sila. Nagkasama sila nung wedding ni
Sa kasal, I think.
Jose.
Yeah.
So bumuhay ulit.
Yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
direct, invite everyone. Grabe.
Yes, please watch The Kingdom, December 25, we're open. And please enjoy it on the big screen, please. Kasi talagang let's support the industry, support The Kingdom, but try to support all the films. Lahat sila pinaghirapan. All of them are quality films. It's a really good batch, itong MMFF50. So let's go out there. Let's go out and watch movies.
Thank you, Direk.
Congratulations, man! Walang tapon. Walang tapon. Masaya yan.
Yan ang disenyo sa atin ay pasain. Humiin ang talahin para makita ang palaki. Manindigan at magaling. Bumoses at manalig. Ang pagiging ignorante ay di na mapangalan sa pagtangin. Mamumuhay di na makantay. Gusto mo ba maging biktima ba sa magkapakir? Kung naghanap pagkasamaan, bakit natasabi? Umangon ka sa pwesto mo at maging kakampi ng ustisya.